Welcome back. Today's book is The 21 Success Secrets of Self-Made Millionaires by Brian Tracy. This is not an ordinary self-help book because it is a product of very deep research. Author Brian Tracy has consulted for more than 1,000 companies and addressed more than 5,000 people in 5,000 talks and seminars throughout the US, Canada, and 55 other countries worldwide. He has studied, researched, written and spoken for 30 years in the fields of economics, history, business, philosophy, and psychology. So, this exciting, fast-moving program from an expert will surely give you a step-by-step formula to become a millionaire, starting from wherever you are today. You can learn how to set goals, make plans, and organize yourself to get more of what you want in life. Now let's have a look at 21 secrets, one by one, which are core parts of the book. 1. Dream big. Success starts with a compelling vision of the future. To achieve significant success, one must think big, set ambitious goals, and visualize the desired outcome. This vision will provide the motivation and direction needed to achieve extraordinary success. 2. Develop a clear sense of direction. Create a concrete plan to achieve your goals. Tracy advises readers to write down their goals and create detailed plans to achieve them. 3. See yourself as self-employed. Take ownership of your career and success. Viewing oneself as self-employed fosters a sense of responsibility and ownership over one's career and success. 4. Do what you love. Pursue a career that aligns with your passions. When people do what they love, they are more likely to invest the necessary time and effort to excel. 5. Commit to excellence. Strive for mastery in your chosen field. By committing to excellence, individuals can differentiate themselves and create a reputation for high-quality work. 6. Work longer and harder. Outwork the competition with dedication and effort. A strong work ethic and a willingness to go above and beyond are common traits among self-made millionaires. 7. Dedicate yourself to lifelong learning. Continuously learn and stay ahead of the curve. Lifelong learning ensures that individuals remain adaptable and capable of seizing new opportunities. 8. Pay yourself. First, practice financial discipline and prioritize saving. By prioritizing savings, individuals can build a strong financial foundation and create opportunities for long-term wealth accumulation. 9. Learn every detail of your business. Become an expert in your field. 10. Dedicate yourself to serving others. Focus on value creation and building relationships. By dedicating oneself to serving others, individuals can build strong relationships and a loyal customer base. 11. Be absolutely honest with yourself. Acknowledge your strengths and weaknesses for self-improvement. 12. Think like a rich person. Adopt the mindset and habits of successful people. 13. Budget your time. Manage your time effectively to prioritize tasks. 14. Be prepared to climb from peak to peak. Expect challenges and setbacks, but keep moving forward. 15. Practice self-discipline in all things. Develop self-control to achieve your goals. 16. Unlock your inborn creativity. Think outside the box and find innovative solutions. 17. Get around the right people. Surround yourself with positive and supportive people. 18. Take excellent care of your physical health. Prioritize your well-being for optimal performance. 19. Be decisive and action-oriented. Make timely decisions and take action. 20. Never allow failure to be an option. Develop a never-give-up attitude. 21. Pass the persistence test. Persistence is key to overcoming obstacles and achieving goals. These all were the secrets found in almost every self-made millionaire. You can adopt and become a one. Hope you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.